doing shorts.
Yes.
As well. So there's a full episode, which they seem to be in the 30, 40, 50 minute range.
Yep.
And then you're doing like a less than 17-second short.
Yes.
Why do you do both? How does it benefit the YouTube channel if you're doing both a podcast and a video cast?
Right. So it doesn't. If I'm going to be totally transparent, I've discovered recently that it doesn't. And the reason I started it was simply to give it the opportunity. I do a lot of experimentation when it comes to the YouTube channel. I'm learning that that's the best way to do it. So I've started doing that quite a bit. So what's happening next is I'm taking those shorts down off of the channel and I'll replace them with shorts from the podcast itself.
We're going to get in trouble because you're taking your shorts down. Someone's going to be like yelling at us. Hey, he took his shorts down. I got to watch the YouTube. I don't believe he's actually taking his shorts down. So what do you mean by taking your shorts down?
All right. So what's happening is I've created a secondary channel that hasn't been made public yet. And it's where all those shorts will live. And it's every short I create because I do a lot of shorts on my Instagram and they go onto Facebook as well. And they're really purely just to have fun. They've started to get a little bit of a following. So I'm working to figure out what direction that's going to go in the future. But for now, I just like doing them and they're fun. They make me laugh and it makes other people giggle, particularly with real estate. Like we work in a serious business. Everybody's in suits and ties for the most part. And it's fun to be able to laugh at ourselves just as much as other people laugh and giggle at the stuff we kind of experience in real life. Like a lot of these photos, these are real things that people are seeing on these shorts. And a lot of real estate investors witness it and do it in real life, but everybody doesn't get to see behind the curtains as a real estate investor. They only see the glitz, the glamour. One I've got 625 units, but they don't see me stepping over random stuff of somebody's house and climbing over a mountain full of garbage inside the middle of the living room. They don't see that kind of thing. So it's just a fun thing. So what'll happen is I'll take those down and I'll shift them over to the new channel, which I haven't quite figured out the name that'll come. But it'll just be all shorts for the podcast, all shorts. Any shorts that I create will go on that channel. And it just helps analytics as well. So